Although Tesla's €4 billion Giga Berlin Factory has faced a lot of setbacks, the facility is finally operational. It was promised that this gigafactory would be able to produce 500,000 cars a year at full capacity. But has this claim proven to be true? In this video, we do a deep dive on Giga Berlin and find out if it's living up to expectations. Having been continually failed by their partners, causing them to, in turn, fail their customers, Tesla finally decided to build its own manufacturing plants. These plants would aid not just in the manufacturing of Tesla EVs like the Model 3 and Model S, but in additional technologies like lithium-ion batteries and the upcoming Tesla robot. Personally, we can't wait till our robot servants arrive. So far, Tesla has 4 large factories. These are the Tesla Fremont Factory, Giga Nevada, Giga New York, and Giga Shanghai. These facilities employ 10,000 individuals, 7,000 individuals, 1,500 individuals, and 15,000 individuals respectively. But as amazing as these large factories are, they still are not enough. Tesla's popularity far outpaced the projections of their experts, thus creating the need for more large factories. Giga Berlin is one of those new factories in question. So is Giga Texas. Unlike Giga Berlin, though, Giga Texas is still under construction. And so, the eyes of tech enthusiasts, Tesla shareholders, and other stakeholders are firmly on Giga Berlin. Giga Berlin has launched, but not everything is up to speed. Expectations haven't quite been met. Some of the site problems, production problems, and logistical problems we found will cause you to raise an eyebrow. Before we reveal them though, consider subscribing to the channel for the best updates in the tech world. Would you believe it if we told you that Giga Berlin has issues with water supply? Believe it or not, even the brilliant Tesla engineers are having trouble figuring out how to get water throughout the 1.2 square mile facility. It isn't just about water supply though. Things like wastewater purification and water treatment are also problems. These problems must be sorted out not only for the cars, but for the human personnel working on them as well. Tesla has made some progress though, and so far, there's a treatment plant with a capacity of 252 cubic meters per hour. Water aside, some organizations and groups have raised concerns about the impact of Giga Berlin on local wildlife. Berlin-Brandenburg, where the Gigafactory is located, is home to animals like foxes, raccoons, beavers, and bunnies. Waste products of Giga Berlin can easily affect the population of these creatures. And so, Tesla has had to tiptoe around regulations to make sure they fall in line. Giga Berlin was initially supposed to start operations in July 2021. However, due to various delays which were, in part, caused by some of the issues we have already discussed, it only began operations in October 2021. The opening was accompanied by a ceremony known as GigaFest, which Elon Musk himself attended. At the event, 9,000 local guests were invited to tour the facility. Despite all this fanfare though, Giga Berlin still isn't operational. Tesla has hinted that it could instead start operations by March 2022. We wonder if there will be a second party this time around. If there is, we pray we get an invite. In any case, Tesla shareholders and leadership will be looking forward to operations beginning. Giga Berlin would sure take a lot of pressure off the other factories in Shanghai and New York. What remains to be seen is if the commencement of operations won't be delayed once again. It's not like Tesla has a reputation for delaying their products over and over. And so, what do you think? Do you think Giga Berlin will end Tesla's production troubles once and for all, or do you think there might still be some issues here and there? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. In the final analysis, Giga Berlin is going to give Tesla the extra push they need to stay ahead of the competition. Tesla has always had issues with delivering on time. However, with Giga Berlin finally opening, the hope is that everything is going to be on track and stay on track. Thank you for watching this Giga Berlin review. Please make sure you check out our other videos on the best 5 authentic virtual assistant websites in 2022 and Tesla Giga Berlin Progress Update. These videos will get you up to speed with the tech world. Until next time, have a great day Catch you later. Bye.